I'm at it. I'm out exploring again today. Found some interesting stuff. A lot of you might find interesting, and stuff that people have asked me about. I'm at Plamosa Road, BLM area. It's a 14-day area. You camp 14 days for free. Appears to be plenty of space out here. First time I've been out here, so let's go explore it together. All right, I'm right near the camp host right now. The host isn't on duty right now, but they do have a camp host on the right as you pull off of Arizona 95 onto Plamosa Road here, just past the cattle guard on the right-hand side. I got Sophie with me, of course, today, and she's sniffing out a route for us right now. Boy, I could get spoiled staying out here with a nice paved road like this. As you can see, there's quite a few people here. I mean, there's some open areas where you can still get some distance between others and not be right on top of each other, but there's quite a few people here. And I drove by this area going to Parker 2 weeks ago, I believe it was. And it wasn't nearly this many people. Everybody's got little signs up so their friends can meet them there. Little markers set up here. Here we go. Well, we've arrived at one of our destinations. I don't know how many of you are World War II buffs, but this I believe is related to World War II or years shortly after, but let's go take a look. Some of you may know where we're at here. Some of you may not. But that's one clue right there. I think we're going to need to go up in the air to see what this looks like. Be right back. Arrow pointing the other direction, that's magnetic north to help them read their maps and navigate better. Some say it's for lost bomber pilots, but that's not true. From what I've read, the bomber pilots flew between 12 and 24,000 feet. I want to say, don't quote me on that, but much higher than would be able to read these letters. You know, the letters are about 11 and a half feet tall, so the Navy W.A.S.P or the the Army Air Corps W.A.S.P would have been able to read those flying under 3,000 feet in a small plane. But I thought it was interesting in some World War II history there, and glad I could share it with y'all. And I'm glad it's still around. They've got it fenced off so people can take a look at it and enjoy it as much as I did. It's still in amazing condition. Just the time involved finding the rocks the same size and lining them up, and they're all the letters are almost perfect. So pretty crazy. And of course the best way to view it is to use my Mavic Air drone. Alright, we're back on Plimosa Road again here. Got about 1.5 miles to the next stop here that I'd like to check out. And you might find this one interesting too. Well, it's beautiful back in here. It's my first time back in here. I'm sure some of you have been in here, and what a neat place to go camping here. It looked like, I don't know if it was this green the other day, but that rain might have helped it green up a little bit in here. It's really interesting with the mountains. You'll see at different times of the day, especially when you've got a cloudy day, they'll change. The colors change all the time. It's just really beautiful. Starting to see more. I believe these are cholla cactus. If I'm wrong, someone correct me. But I believe these are cholla cactus, the short ones, the fuzzy ones. I guess some call them jumping cactuses. They don't actually jump, but you don't want to get close to them because they tend to be all over you. These ones I got to watch out with Sophie because she tends to brush up against stuff. Looks like we're almost there. I'll pull off in this parking area here, and I think we got a little bit of a hike in, so I'll be right back. right. This is known as a Fisherman. The length of time that this has been here is just incredible. But it's still, you can still see it. There you go. You can pause this right here, and I'll be right back. We're going to take a pan around so you can see where I'm at. Beautiful country here. Try not to go too fast, make you dizzy. Well, that's about all I got for you today. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. I'd like to say hello to all the new subscribers. And a couple of my subscribers, Ken and Kay, thanks for stopping by and seeing me. That was really great to meet you. Safe travels to you. And you all have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.